Hello, it's me, Gardening Gabbie. I found the coolest project online. Let me show you. The following project involves knives. The use of sharp objects is not recommended for children. Please use under adult supervision. You want to cut the whole length of the zucchini leaf off, including the stem, down to the vine. Then you're going to cut the leaf off of the stem. The zucchini's leaf stem is mostly hollow. However, you want to make sure that you cut close enough to the leaf that the stem part at the mouthpiece is solid and not hollow. Cut about 3/4 slit down the center. This becomes your mouthpiece. Take your knife, get all the pokies off the edge. And you have a squash horn.